This exposed structural beam above the doorway was an eyesore, completely disrupting the aesthetic of the room. Instead of painting it or attempting to lift a solid 500-pound timber, which would be impossible indoors, I decided to wrap it with reclaimed wood to create the illusion of a heavy rustic timber beam. This method is precise, repeatable, and visually stunning. The process begins with prep. I first cut small notches into the drywall using an oscillating multi-tool. These notches allow the new boards to sit perfectly flush at the ends, eliminating any visible gaps where the wood meets the wall. Every millimeter counts here. If the boards are even slightly misaligned, the illusion fails. Next, I cut 3 pieces of reclaimed wood to size. A miter, saw, and table saw allowed me to get exact measurements. One board forms the bottom, while 2 side boards wrap the beam's vertical faces. Reclaimed boards provide texture, character, and the appearance of authentic, aged timber without the weight or cost of a solid log. With the boards cut, I apply a generous zigzag of heavy-duty construction adhesive to both the beam and the backs of the boards. The bottom board goes up first, pressed tightly against the ceiling with adjustable support poles, ensuring it stays perfectly aligned while the adhesive cures. The side boards are installed next, clamped aggressively with bar clamps to remove every trace of a seam. Even with perfect placement, the beam looks like a box with sharp corners. To achieve the realistic appearance of a solid timber, I take an orbital sander and aggressively round all edges and corners where the boards meet. This destroys the visible seams, blending the 3 boards into what appears to be a single continuous log. Finally, sanding exposes light raw wood. I vacuum away the dust, then apply a matching dark wood stain to the exposed edges using a sponge. The corners darken, perfectly blending with the aged surface. The end result is a high-end faux wood that looks heavy, solid, and rustic, while actually being lightweight, safe, and professionally finished. This method transforms an ugly structural beam into a signature design feature and proves that careful planning, precision cuts, and attention to detail can turn any DIY project into a professional architectural highlight.